What's up everybody, welcome back to Low Luxury, the channel where I show you what authentic luxury clothing and streetwear looks like. And today I am super psyched because we are going to be taking a look at a pair of really cool sneakers. And this pair of sneakers is by a little old brand called AMIRI, by Mike Amiri. It's a very American kind of name. It sounds like a dude you went to high school with. Oh yeah, you know, Mike Amiri. Yeah, now he runs like the auto body shop down on Main Street, you know. Yeah, old Mike Amiri, he was always drinking too much. He was a little weird, but he was a nice guy at the same time. What's he doing now? I don't know. He gained a lot of weight and he's divorced. So that's enough of that. So actually a lot of people don't like the brand AMIRI. And I guess they got a lot of hype really fast, and that is kind of generally a recipe to being disliked by a big segment of the fashion population. But I actually really like AMIRI. Or well, there are aspects of the AMIRI aesthetic that just aren't for me. I can appreciate them, it looks very well made, but it's not for me. But within that, they always have certain pieces, certain styles, certain silhouettes that break through and are just really objectively good. And this pair of sneakers is one of those. So one of my favorite things that AMIRI has ever done is their bone motif in sneakers, where they stitch on patches of leather to make it look like a skeleton on top of the shoes. They've done it with a kind of Jordan ripoff silhouette, and then they've done a runner silhouette, which is what these are. So these are called the Bone Runners, and we're gonna take a look at them. So let's do that. Yo. Before we get too much further, subscribe to the channel. I make tons of luxury and streetwear content. And also, if you're looking for deals on luxury and streetwear, check the description. I've got some of the best sites with all authentic stuff. Check it out. So those of you that have been around the channel for a while know that we gotta start by taking a look at the box. And what a box it is. So this is like a coated black box. It feels kind of like rubbery, plasticky on the top, a little bit, I don't know, sticky almost. It's interesting. You don't see too many shoe boxes like this. You can kind of see the plasticky coating coming up in places, bubbling a little bit, which is really interesting. And right front and center here, we've got an embossed silver AMIRI logo print. Take a look. Each of those letters is pretty well spaced out, very clean as well. Take a look at that stuff, because you'd be surprised how often fakes get simple things like that very wrong. The long sides of the box are blank, and you can see that the top of it comes in most of the way. There's a bit left over, but the lid is quite large here. One of these short sides is also blank, as is the bottom. The other short side has all that good info. You can see we've got some stickers down here in the bottom left. I'm going to guess that these are from the retailer and not from AMIRI. So every box may not have these. However, off to the right of that, in the bottom right of the box, every single pair should have a sticker like this. So as you can see, it's kind of like a long, skinny white sticker with rounded edges. And up top, bold, we've got AMIRI. And you can see, again, each of those letters is pretty dang spaced out. We've got the style name, Bone Runner. Style number, that's our model number. You should be able to look that up and your piece should show up. Color, warm gray. I love this color. You'll see it. I'm all about it. Big and bold in the top right, we've got our size. So this is a European size 43, which roughly translates to a US 10. And right underneath that, we have a really nice kind of wireframe drawing of the shoe itself. You can see that silhouette. It's right up my alley. All right, let's take this lid off and see what we got. It's time for the pro unboxing. And unboxings are really hard to do with one hand. I'm holding the camera in the other. It's actually, for some boxes, near impossible. You can see me shaking because I've got the pro strats here, the pro strategies. It's little by little. I think it might be coming up. All right, here we go. Dust bag, baby. You can see that the inside of the box is a matte black, so it's not coated anymore. It has more of that cardboard texture, and it's much smoother. So since our dust bag is right on top here, let's take a look at that. So we actually get two dust bags here, one for each shoe. And they're actually really nice and have some details that I guarantee you the fakes are not going to nail. So they're a black cloth, And then printed on there, again in silver, you have the AMIRI logo, which matches the typeface and spacing and everything. And the biggest thing here that the fakes are going to get wrong are these drawstrings. So we have real metal rivets here on both sides, and then the drawstring is like this kind of like waxed woven string. Let me see if I can focus. It's got like a little bit of a texture into it. Let me pull it shut and see if I can get some more to look at here. Yeah, so there's our drawstring. Very, very, very unique. I've never seen one like it, and trust me, the fakes are not putting this in as their drawstring, or if they are, it's going to be a really crappy version of it. And these dust bags are lined in like a white canvas material. All right, next in the box is a bunch of stock paper, and this does have the AMIRI logo print all over it, as you can see. It's a little light on the camera, but it is in there. And if we keep it going, layer after layer after layer of stock paper. That's all this is. It's just stock paper. I'm just kidding. Boom. And there they are. Whew. So as you can see, they come in some plastic here, keeping them safe. Oh, yeah. Oh, and now you can really see that logo print in there. And there you have it. That is a clean silhouette. Reminds me a lot of like the Gucci Riton or something. But the first thing I noticed when you pull them out of that plastic, they're quite light, very airy. Not nearly as heavy as the Gucci's or something like that. So that definitely stood out to me. Another thing is like the smell. It smells like a Foot Locker in here. It just smells like nice leather. There's just something nostalgic to me about the smell wafting off of these. Of course, the main part here is that leather boning applique. You can see each one is stitched on so cleanly. The stitching, it really follows each piece of leather, like kind of like dips in there. And the stitching is super, super clean. Now, let's start taking a look at some of these distinct panels here. Starting with the upper. So this is a suede, a really, really smooth suede, whereas this panel is more of a coated leather. You can kind of see the difference there, I think. And then these bits, as well as the bones, are actually a rougher type of suede than this one on the side. So there's a lot of different types of fabrication here. And then even underneath this is like a white mesh, as you can see. The mesh continues around the sides, and you got some padding and a really quiet, clean stitch going along there. This right here is suede. This is the coated leather. And look at all these cuts, how clean they are. There's no rough edges to this whatsoever. Around the back, you get a really, really nice curve going there. And again, the stitching is insanely clean. And you've got our little pull tab here. And actually, this has a tiny little piece of cardboard in it. They've put a lot of thought into this. They don't want these pull tabs getting all misshapen. So they actually put a piece of cardboard right in there. But we'll take that out. So a sizable pull tab there, always appreciated, helps you get them on. And the inside of the shoe is very, very similar, except we get this one little stripe here. That's really interesting. It's almost like a plastic coating over that mesh. Looking to the sole, you can see that it's two-tone. The midsole is the warm gray, and then the actual sole is more of a white. You can see the textures there, and they've also got these really nice, clean, kind of wavy cutouts. Take a look at the shape of that. The molding is super, super clean, and the shapes are really smooth there. There are no rough edges here. I also do not see any visible glue. You've got 3 lines as that part comes up there. Outside of the shoe is very similar to the inside as far as the shapes are concerned. And then at the back, this piece flips up a little bit, and then you've got the gray here. And you also get this band of plastic where you've got AMIRI embossed in there. Those letters come out and you can really feel them. And again, the mold of that lettering is super, super clean. There's no rough edges there. On the bottom of the shoe, it really follows that kind of bone pattern as well. Really, really cool and really clean once again. And then way in there, again, we've got that AMIRI logo popping out of the plastic insole. Not insole, the inner sole. Then, of course, we get the bones. Where to even start with these? The placement is super, super specific. And then you start getting laces coming through these side ones here. So the lace pattern is super interesting and unique. I would not want to delace these because putting these back the way they are here, I would be so lost. So you get these two coming over and the laces go under. And then right in here at this top piece, pressed in, is that AMIRI logo. Again, so fucking clean. My God, Michael AMIRI. What you doing out here? Damn, these are clean. We get another pull tab right over that at the tongue. And you can see that this is layered on top of some mesh here. And now let's look to the inside of that tongue. So there's where the pull tab is stitched in. Got a little sort of circle of stitching. And then there's our sticker right there. There are a lot of fakes out there, so take a close look at what that looks like. You've got the logo, then a thick black line, and then your sizing. US, UK, Euro, and centimeters. Under that, we've got a model number, which matches what was on the sticker. Designed in California, made in China. So it's totally okay that these are made in China. That's how it's supposed to be. Also, very specifically, you can see we've got some kind of elastic bands in here that hold that tongue in place. The insert, it actually does come out. You can see the printed logo on there in black. It is kind of a mesh fabrication on top. And you've got these kind of 3 little teeth cutouts on the inside of the toe. The bottom is just a pretty plain gray. But then right at the top you get AM, potentially for AMIRI, and a size range 42-43. So make sure that size fits the one you've got. And underneath that insert, you have a kind of just gray mesh fabrication with this one dark gray line going through it, and then the sides are stitched down in white. So now let's try these shoes on to see how they feel and see how they fit. Listen, I hope they're not too bony. You know, it's something that's too bony, it can kind of hurt. I'm just kidding, it's just leather. They're not real bones, you guys. Ugh. So let's start with the fit. I would say that these fit just on the slightly tighter size, like a little bit smaller than true to size. I don't think it's so much so that I consider sizing up or anything, but if you happen to fall in between sizes, I guess I would say to go with the bigger size rather than the smaller, because they are just slightly tight, but not crazy so by any means. As for the feel, they are incredibly comfortable. Like, I really like wearing these. As I mentioned, they are very light, and that does give me some concerns about how well they'll hold up over time. Are the materials in that sole as strong as they could be, as solid as they could be? But in the meantime, just wearing it, they're very easy to wear, very comfortable, and they move really well, like much, much lighter than the Gucci Rhytons or something like that, which I feel like are maybe one of the closest analogs to these. But clearly, the most important thing about these, the reason that people really want to wear them, is that detailing, the bone detailing, and they just knock it out of the park here. Everyone notices these, everyone has something to say about them, and people seem to really, really like them. So I'm about these. I'm keeping these around. So that is what a real pair of AMIRI Bone Runner sneakers looks like. Take a look at the other video on screen here, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll see you next time.